Hey guys. All right, we're here with some of our holiday edition videos, and we are going to make a light up Christmas light. Eh, you know, there's just nothing better than lights in the yard. Lights in the house are fun too, but getting to see all those lights when you drive home and it's dark at night, it just feels so good. All right, so the first thing that's going to happen is we're going to make the shape of the bulb up top. Now, we have a little rainbow that's kind of a wide curve. Then we're going to come down on both sides. Then we are going to round around so that we've got the bottom. Now, coming underneath there, we're going to make the place that it screws in. So I'm going to get one rectangle with a curve that mirrors the curve at the bottom of my bulb. Two, same size, also mirroring the curve at the bottom of that bulb. And three. Okay. Now I'm going to get the part that you screw in. So this is one of those really big ones, a big replacement. I want to say it's a C9. I think that's the name of it. But it's going to come in a little bit smaller than the edge of the rectangle. And it's going to have a slightly rounded bottom. Now to show how the helical screw is coming, we're going to come and bring lines going around and curving at a diagonal. And we're taking turns starting them from the left and the right. All right, the last thing you need is the little bit of wire inside that helps heat up and provide light. So we're going to come up and curl, up and curl, up and curl. That wasn't so bad, right? That was pretty easy. All right, we're going to get our little marks of radiance coming out so that we know, oh, that it's on and it's shining. All right, this one's pretty easy to go in and Sharpie. This one should be fairly straightforward. We'll do our bulb first. Then we'll do the rounding right here. I am going to start those inside pieces just a little bit in from each other so you get that idea of separation. And then we'll get the bottom of the bulb. And we'll follow those lines that let you know where it's coming in and out and screwing down in. Then we've got our wire. And we have our lovely lines to show the radiance, to show the shine. All right. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3, easy, huh? When you go in to add color, make sure that you're thinking bright. You're also going to see 2 reflective spots on your bulb. So I'm so excited for you guys. Y'all finish that quick. And it's time to go add some color. Bye.